Chapter 4 Phonic Sound of I. Read aloud. 6. Kite, wig, dice, igloo, bin, hill, king, bite, bite, cite, sight, site, sight, kite, kite, white, white, sprite, sprite, quite, quite, unite. Read and learn. Rice, spice, nice, lice, dice. Dish, kiss, fish, miss, bliss. Icon, idle, iPod, ice cream, inkpot. Read and learn. Sid is a kid. He has a tin. Sid is with a bin. The bin has a lid. I can fly a kite. I love to sit under a tree. A kite is flying near the hill. It is a big, red, yellow and green kite. Read this rhyme. I see a fish. It likes to swim. It flips and dips. Oh, look at him. In a ship, I sit and grin. I like this game. Let's all join in. The sky is bright. The sun is high. We play and laugh. Just you and I.